Hey guys, so I just got back from lunch with my friend and I decided to show you guys what we do in terms of applying for events and festivals and everything like that. So as you know, we're a mobile cafe and it's quite hard to get permission to go somewhere on a weekly basis, like a set location. So I'm going to show you guys where to go and what places to go look at, and hopefully if you are one of us who are trying to get something and you're a mobile cafe or mobile burger shop or whatever, this might help you. So without further ado, here's what I do. So you guys are going to hear this ticking sound in the back. It's my clock. Yeah, it's my alarm clock. I will turn it off, and in the effort of resetting the time and everything, I'm not about to do that. A few things that I've done, main ones I've looked at is Irish Village markets.ie, which I'm actually on now, and I'm just kind of just rolling through them and seeing what do they have in the next couple of months and what we have to offer and what they need. Another one that I look up is also with the insurance company that we have. They send us like weekly and monthly newsletters with what's going on around the country. And we can just, they give us the information, contact information, we just call them. So there's another one as well. If you want to look up them, it's mast.ie, M-A-S-T.ie. Just call them, give them what you need. And it really helps. Like it stops the whole looking for hours. Like it's really annoying. But it's something you need to do if you want to get that done. So if you go on discoverisland.ie and just literally look up stuff, like I have that went on that and looked up fairs and events, festivals, music shows, and then I just contact them and email them. A lot of it is, like I said, avoid rejection, but keep going and you'll get something. Yeah guys, here's what I do. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed all that. It's just, like you saw, a lot of calling, emailing, reading and everything. So if this was helpful for you guys and you saw some websites that you could use, or if you want any help on how I found some certain things, I would show you the Mast one, but I don't think I'm allowed to do that unless you're a member of the insurance company. So, but if you need any questions, just put in the comment section below what do you want, what else do you want me to cover, what else do you want me to look up for you guys, what are you worried about or confused about, and if you have any more questions, also send us messages on our Facebook and our Instagrams. And yeah, and also see in the back there's also, I got my little home studio thing set up. And also if you are a musician, an independent musician, and you would like to have your music played on our channel or anywhere on our cafe or on our social medias, send me a message, drop it in the comment section below. And if you live in Ireland, hit me up, call me, and I will set up an appointment with you free of charge to record some of your tracks, and we could play it at our cafe and on our medias, so all our social medias, for free promotion. So hope you enjoyed this video guys, and please share it to everyone and hit that like button and subscribe us and hit that bell icon, and do all you can to show your support to Joseph's Cafe, because we really appreciate it. And also guys, there's a petition that I'll put a link on the bottom for you guys to, if you want to go share it, and also sign it so everyone can know that we are around. If you want to fund us anything at all, just send us a little donation and we can give you a shout out. And also if you give us over €50, we can give a quote of yours permanently put onto our mobile cafe. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.